This is before the compound and polish, and then the wax. And this is from far away. I'm going to show you an after picture afterwards. This is before and this is after. What it looked like after the compound. Just the polish. The McGuire Pro Speed compound. And the polisher. This is what this headlight looks like now. This is what the other one still looks like. So right now, I'm in the process of working on this one. So I'm going to add the polish to this one. And then the jet seal to seal it. So right now, this is just with the compound and it polished off. That's how good it looks. That's how nice it looks. And then this is this one, other one. So now I'm gonna add the polish to this one, clean it off, then add the jet seal, and then move on to the next one. Now this is after the compound and then the polish. Polished it with the black pad and ultra polishing compound. That's what it looks like. So now I'm going to add the jet seal to it. Let it sit for about 20 minutes to bond to the paint, the plastic. Yeah, put it on by hand, I just rub it on. You can use a rag or pad or whatever it is. This will stop the headlight from turning yellow. So that I'll let sit for 20 minutes. And then now I'm going to start on this one. That one's finished. Let that dry for 20 minutes. And then wipe that off. So now I'm going to start on this one. Compound, polish, and then a seal with the jet seal. And then I'll show you guys an after of what it looks like when I'm done. So this is the second light, headlight after the compound and the polish. This is how clean the headlight got after the compound and polish. Went from that hazy yellow to this clear smoothness. This one is still drying from the sealant, so now I'm going to put the sealant on this one and good to go. I'll show you guys a video after what they look like, compound, polish, and sealed. Finished, wiped off the jet seal all off of it, and this is how clean it looks. So the jet seal is going to seal it so it doesn't turn yellow, but what I do is every couple months just clean it off, just wipe it down, put a little bit more jet seal on it just to seal it for a little longer. So now this one's been drying for 20 minutes, so now I'm going to clean it off. And this is the finished product. Before to after. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.